today, what we doing? I've literally set a random location on the map. We're following the random location. And that is basically it. We're gonna follow the location and see where it takes us. Just gonna see where it takes us and go from there, innit? I had no form of plans. I had nowhere to go. Everyone's still at work. So yeah, this is what we're doing. So I don't know how much commentary you guys are gonna get for this, but we shall see. We'll see where it takes us. I can't even remember the location or the rough area of where I put the little fucking. Haha, you gotta rev it for the kids. Haha. I don't think the guy in the car in front's liking that one though. Giving me some funny looks. So yeah, I have no idea where the fuck we're going today. We're just going somewhere, innit? So yeah. Wait. Huh? Appreciate it. That's one of my favourite bikes. Thank you, appreciate it. You check out the Instagram, 2 Tire Traction. Have a look. 2 Tire Traction. It's a wrap.
Oh, it looks like full carbon.
Yeah. I wish it was real, but that'd be a bit expensive. See you in a bit. Like the wheelie. Today's looking up. I hopped on the bike to lift up my spirits. I was feeling a bit down. Always makes it better. Always. All about the fucking interactions. You get it. Pretty sick though. 2 interactions in like what, 10 minutes? Not even 10 minutes, like a couple minutes. Can't complain really. I don't even know where the fuck this is taking me. Why am I going this way? Come on, mate. Hey, go, man. And hop out with them choppers. Them blue Balenciagas. Today we hop out and straight. What do you mean make a U-turn? We're not missing this line! Fucking use your indicators, mate. You have indicators. Why don't fucking use them? Look at this little Civic. This is pretty sick. His face is on a t-shirt and his family's traumatized. Go, nigga. What a good fucking man. This is what I'm saying about the people, Zeb. Look at that. I was about to do a wheelie as well. Ah! They thought they could get me. Again. That's what that fucking whizzing noise was. I was wondering why it was whistling in the fucking lid. Why doesn't it work closed properly? I know that's like common knowledge, but like, fuck off. I'm ready to do some lava. I ain't even gonna explain what that means. If you know, you know. Lab Slabby knows. All they do is get onto me. I understand, cause you're not me. You're even better than me. Brother! What are you doing? It's like, why? Just go in the right fucking lane. It's not that hard, mate. Saying this like it makes much of a difference for me. If I go in the wrong lane, I can cut up everyone anyway, without issues. What is brother doing? There's fucking bare cars, you know. Anyone would have thought this was a public road. Yes, yes, I do need help. I know what it is when we turn right. I don't know where it takes me if I go first. First? Straight. That don't make no sense. It's the second exit. Oh, my eardrum's exploding! Maybe that means I should slow it down. I'm only doing like 40. See, here's a 50. I'm doing 40, mate. With a bumper ass! Look at this little BG village. Saw. Slow moving traffic is not my problem. Pink moped. Oh no, they're fucking out here. They are out here. Real bad man. Real bad man. Party by myself because I don't fuck with people. That looks like a cool road. Don't you ever just look at roads sometimes and just think that looks cool? Or am I just extremely autistic? To be fair, I don't actually care about going faster today. I just want to have a bit of fun, cheer myself up. What the fucking curving? What is going on, mine? What the fuck is going on, mine? I bet you don't care so with your eyes closed. Oh look, 2 lanes. How considerate of you. Is that 2 lanes? It's not even, it's a fucking turning lane. Fuck you. Not trying to help me fucking win. What am I winning? I don't fucking know. Turning's not helping me though. And that's facts. I'm gonna have to stop at some point and go look at some stuff. I need to feed into the hunger. If that even makes sense. It probably makes sense. If I said it probably... Marul Green. What the fuck is Maxus? Is that... Nah. I thought that was a new car brand or something. But I think that's just a dealership. You best not be a Fed! Where we going, rude boy? Second exit. Straight over. Police here. There's no police. To be fair, when we stop, I need to switch over to Waze. Now that I've got a phone holder, I'm able to actually see if I'm being attacked. Because of course, if there is police up ahead, that means that I am under attack. My base is under attack. I mean, not right now, but... I mean, earlier, I was nearly under attack. And then the fucking... The border patrol saved me for some reason. Border patrol in the cage. Nah, big up to him though. Saved me a ticket. Nah. What a banger. Cancer in the chest like cardiac arrest. I've been feeling stressed. The way I need to go is full of traffic. Look at the traffic. I do not like the traffic. Oh, now you want to pull out. Brown and white. Oh, listen, they're bringing racism to an end, mate. Look at that. That's crazy. Appreciate you. What the fuck, mate? Gotta keep it together. Oh, it's a new road. Don't look fucking new to me, mate. Prick. How have I used fucking half a tank already? I bet. Oh, fair enough. I've been in the road for like 45 minutes, mate. Doesn't feel like it. It's very windy today. Is that fucking... That was the pool things, the pool noodles. If I was with the boys right now, we'd be having a scrap with them. What are you doing? Both in middle of lane, Dosser! Come on, overtake. Come on, get ya. Come on, down my lane. Oh, look at these cows! Look at all those chickens! Why is the bus in both the lanes? In a bag, and nobody gets hurt! I'm glad that she saw me. Otherwise, I would have been kaput! How bumpy's this road? You know exactly what I'm talking about. It's a little bit bumpy. Come on, let's go. Let me go. He's not telling me the way to go, mate. Oh, shit things. I meant to be in that one. Is it this one? Am I going the right way? Nope. So we've gone the wrong way. Is it really Liberties though? What do you mean turn left? Ah! Oh no, fuck off, leave off. Don't be coming after me. Oh my god, there was feds behind me. I thought that was me done again. Are we good? I think we're good. How could I not? Oh! The road is cambered. I'm working on height, not length these days, boys. Prefer to be a grower than a shower. Nah. No, that's straight cap. Are we turning here? Apparently, this is where my marker is. Hey, yo, am I gonna die if I wheelie here? Fuck me, that is not fun. That shit was uneven as fuck. Oh! Am I gonna get away with taking a picture here? Let me turn this music off. Flip this plate. What looks nicer? We'll do this one. Oh, for fuck's sake! Bastards! I just want to take a picture, man. Is there still space there? Move it in more. Oh, bless him. Asking if I'm good. No, I'm taking pictures. All good. No, thank you. I appreciate it. See what I mean? Interactions, peoples. I know that's nothing special, but it makes me smile that there's still people out there that care. Probably not going to add the way back into the video. Just going to have the way there on the video. But yeah, of course I'm going to record it for dash cam and all that. Oh, for fuck's sake! One picture! One picture! Just got a grin on his face. He looked like a happy boy. Wait for him to get just out of shot. Oh, for fuck's sake! Nah, we're moving. We are moving. Fuck this, it's getting a bit annoying now. I'm all good, I'm taking pictures. Thank you. See, that's free. Free already, that was quick. But yeah, we ain't gonna stay here. I mean, it's 3 minutes away. So I'm most likely gonna pull up down the road and... You know what I mean? Fuck it, I'm gonna wait for these guys to come past first. I don't think I was gonna cause such a commotion. I feel bad now. Fucking hell. There was no cars there when I first got here. I thought it was like a kind of unused road. Yeah, all good, all good. Thank you. I feel bad, I'm just kind of like in the way and that. Come on, mate. Hurry up, mate. Oh, good old stare. Oh, no, I was just taking pictures.
Oh, okay.
Thank you, though. Appreciate it. What's that, like 6? Yeah, all good, all good. Thank you. What the fuck? People are nice around here. Messages, I can't be bothered to answer them. Music. Give me my music. You still recording, yeah? Yeah. Alright. Sod's law, as soon as I say I'm leaving, the fucking cars are gone. Oh shit. I don't know where I'm going. Oh, I can't lie. I don't care if people are coming. This is a fucking spot. Oh, are you gonna fit through there? What are you putting your fucking hands up for, prick? Fucking easily fit past. Didn't even need to fucking slow down, you cunt. Fuck it. This is lovely, I can't lie. Jatter. Look at all them crows. The fuck you doing, mate? Yeah, you better run, pussy. I love how there were so many nice people and then there was just one guy throwing his hands up in the air. That looked like a nice little spot. Should we go back for a picture? I think I actually will. I might use that spot to take off for a sec. Yeah, we're gonna get down the end of here, see if there's anything else, then we're gonna spin it and we're gonna pull up there. Horses. I bet the horses are fake. I bet they're not real. It's part of a conspiracy theory. Don't ask me which one, it's part of one of them. I'm gonna use this one to turn around. Turn around, every now and then I fall apart. I don't know the words. I think that was the words. I need you more than ever. I wish the camera could like connect to the car though and like tell me when it's gonna die. Do you know how useful that would be? And then I'm not here talking for good what, half hour or whatever it is to myself for no reason. Where was this spot? That was the spot.